Welcome everyone, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and yes, we're back with some rag bags. We finally got a hold of some of these rag bags. Again, the flow of them is pretty low, so if you're not familiar with this video type, we buy these rag bags from local thrift stores, search them for vintage t-shirts. So anyway, starting to right off, it looks like we have a vintage t-shirt, but it's cut off. Oh my gosh, don't do this! People, this is sick. I mean, it's like, it's on a freeze tag, clothing for cool people. I want to make a reservation. That's sick. Why do you take the freaking tags off? Or the sleeves off? Oh, 1994. Alright, well that at least gives me some hope that there may be something inside here that's vintage. But man, that is annoying when people take tags off of stuff. Yeah, we got like some older Bugle Boy. Looks like I'm seeing some like, okay. Oh, this is sick. 2005 Sturgis. So it's not like technically vintage, but it's a sick Sturgis Tee. Definitely smells like smoke, so we're gonna keep that separate. All right, so there might be some promise in here. Looks like we have a vintage blank on a Bobby Brooks tag. Let's see what else we got. Nothing. Man, that Looney Tunes tee, it hurts. Like, hurts. We got 1998 Cleveland t-shirt. Vintage, it's double stitch. I don't know if that's probably not worth it. Oh yeah, baby! This is a t-shirt bag. Look at it. Look at this huge mega print. What a way to get back in the game. 1997. This is Bobby LeBon tee. No, Jeff Gordon. It's another Jeff Gordon large print tee. I literally just sold something very similar to this for about 100 and something bucks, 120. This is incredible. It's a large. Yes, we are back in the game. Whew! Feels so good. This is incredible. This is a $100 t-shirt, and we're like 5 t-shirts in. Could this be another one of those like bags with the wrestling t-shirts? I see something else here. Another Sturgis Tee. Another Sturgis. This is pretty dope Sturgis Tee. I'm trying to see what year it is. The 58th annual, 1998. So we got a vintage Sturgis Tee. That's sick. Hopefully we can grab us like some maybe some Harley. Maybe like some 3 emblem Harley stuff. But right now I am high on life. We got a vintage Ford Racing t-shirt. We'll hold on to that. Well, it makes up for. It certainly makes up for the, sleeves being cut off of that tee. That oh, what we got here? 1998. Toll text. Been there, done that. Bristol. Okay, we got a racing tee. Bristol, Tennessee Speedway. It's got the been there, done that 1998. So this is vintage. So it looks like we've got. Looks like may have more down there. So we have vintage racing tees. That's what we're looking at here. Oh, this is interesting. Vintage Southwest Airlines is nasty. I believe I can fly. Credit card. It's vintage for sure. It is also whacked out, dude. But so we have old t-shirts here, and those seems to be a significant amount of like white t-shirts down here. We got a Total Comfort Lee vintage tee. Man, this is a hot bag. All right, looks like it's just like a seafood spot. Weather vane, seafood. It's vintage, but I'm probably not a market for that at all. Independence, Virginia, on top of the world. Been there. It's actually pretty dope tee. It's double stitched, so it's probably late 90s, maybe early 2000s. What else we got? Sarasota, Florida, vintage tee on the Lee Total Cotton. Some of these like tourist tees, novelty tees aren't worth much. Route 66, another vintage t-shirt. Country Music Festival in Missouri. I mean, Huey Lewis and the News is there, but then they pretty much they'll play anything. Lone Star is there. Wow, but they're way down the line. You guys remember that song? Is that song Amazing by them? Baby, I'm amazed. All right, we got some more. Got Ryan Newman racing tee. Probably. Let's see what it says here. I don't see a date. This is probably based on probably early 2000s, like 99-ish time period. Man, we're hot. What's this? Turkin Talking Trash. This is sick. Not single stitch. Oh. Okay, so it's new. But this looks dope. It's small. And pretty dirty. Alright, what else we got here? Looks like some Red Cross t-shirts. Come on, let's get another one of those big. We got a vintage tag here. Got a Hayes Beefy tee. Southwest Missouri University. Not worth much, but it is vintage. We got a TNT, like Jolly Roger, small, like kids' youth size. It's vintage, but Faded Glory. All right, we are going slow. I'm sorry. Oh, what do we got here? All right, okay. We got a vintage Looney Tunes. What's your problem? Vintage Looney Tunes, not cut off, so that's pretty dope. It's on the old Looney Tunes tag. It's a 97, double stitch, but it's still sick. Double stitch, but it's still sick. Yeah, so all right, we are killing it in this rag bag. I mean, it's like this is like probably 90% so far vintage tags, not necessarily all kind of Missouri lottery. It's not all like cool tees, vintage tees, but they're almost all vintage. Precious Memories. Another Independence, Virginia, where friends are made. I'm gonna hold on to that because I grew up in Virginia. What we got here? We got Hawaii. It's like a 2009 tee. Some random Canada. What do we got here? I don't think this is vintage. Oh, this is Silence I Kill You, that like ventriloquist comedian dude. I don't remember his name. Not as vintage, but I don't know anything about that. Just some like embroidered work shirt. Looks like we have another Rusty Wallace tee. Yeah, Rusty Wallace vintage racing tee. So another NASCAR racing tee. That stuff is good. All right. Let's see. I think we're gonna release this video not on Monday because Monday's already passed this week. But we'll try to get it on. What we got? Like Shawn Michaels. But it'll probably go out Wednesday or something. No boundaries. Oh, I do need to mention that if you've made it this far in the video, we are going to be on the road. Me and my. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Oh yeah, we got a sick, like all over print Harley tee. Single stitch. All right, this is it's just one side, so it's just a big mega print on the front side. Made in USA Harley. That's pretty sick. I've not seen that officially official Hartley tee. But we're going on the road, doing 100 thrift stores in 6-7 days. That's the plan. We're gonna be going all over the country. Starting Kansas City, over to Topeka, down to Wichita. Down to Wichita Falls. Oh, this is a vintage, like a cut-off Ocean Pacific tee. That's pretty sick. Going down to Wichita Falls, down to Dallas, all the way down to San Antonio. I think that'll be pretty sick. Back around through Louisiana, back up to Arkansas, and back home. It's going to be epic. We're going to do a video a day. We got a 3D emblem, everybody. Heck yeah, that's what I was hoping for in 1992 on the 3D emblem tag. Definitely got some wear to it. Definitely got some distressing. But Ride the Wind 3D emblem, single stitch. This is one of our best bags ever. Definitely in the top 3 or 4 bags that we've ever had. So excited. We got a vintage like imported Michigan tee. It's a little ratty. But yeah, so we're gonna do a video every day on that trip. So just stay tuned and follow along. We'll probably try to do some live streams while we're at the different hotels and stuff, and like take questions and stuff. But we'll see. It's gonna be high energy, like pretty strenuous daily requirements. Oh, Winnie the Pooh, that's kind of cool. It's double stitch. It's peeling a lot. I don't know. So we're gonna have a lot. Our schedule's gonna be packed. We're gonna be running as hard as we can, making videos as hard as we can, trying to find dope stuff in the thrift stores across the country. So if you live in one of those areas in the Midwest and Southern Midwest, then yeah, maybe I'll pop into your local thrift store and say hey. But we have one more bag, which seems crazy because this rag bag opening has been incredible already. So let's see if it continues. Normally it doesn't. Actually, it's interesting. Normally if we hit one bag, the next bag is not very good. And that could remain the case in this situation, but we'll see. This is a smaller bag. Not as much here in this bag as in the other one. We have some more cut-off t-shirts, which this one actually, no, this is not cut off. It's just made to be a tank top. I'm not seeing a lot of vintage looking material. A lot more newer cotton. Oh, we got something here. What's this? This is weird. It's like a, oh, this looks like it's vintage. It's just like cropped like thick cotton with like Aztec print, collared like women's crop top. This is actually pretty sick. I like finding that type of stuff. It's not like super branded, so you're not selling the brand. That was an old, no, it's not. I thought it was. It's not really that old. It's old, like, yeah, Eckstein. Old Cardinals t-shirt, pretty nasty though. So there's some stuff is here that in this one that's vintage. This is like another real boxy t-shirt, double stitch, but feel like an old single stitch. How thin it is, from Las Vegas. Fortnite tee. Let's see what else we got here. Missouri National Guard. Some blank white tee, not single stitch or anything. But yeah, we're real excited. Smithsonian, is this vintage? Yeah, probably actually. Double stitch Smithsonian Institution. But we're real excited about the trip. It's gonna be mad fun. Hopefully we find, wait a minute, what's this? Looks promising. Oh, it's just a, what's that thing called? Minecraft. But we're really excited because it's gonna be like so much to do, so much to see. Like lots, I mean, there's lots of stores. We have it mostly mapped out, like where all the stores are. My younger brother Josiah will be with us for the first few days. We're gonna hit up Mad stores, and we're gonna actually visit a few places that I grew up, some towns that we lived in back in the day, before he was born actually. And so we're gonna visit some of those places that I haven't been to in 25 years, so that should be fun and interesting. And you'll get to see where I grew up in some of these places. So anyway, we will give you more information. I'll probably do a video about it the day before, just to give you guys a little bit more detail, more specificity. But starting this Sunday, we're leaving this Sunday. Videos will probably start being posted Tuesday night, as we sort of are able to put the videos together as we drive. So far this bag is looking pretty poor. Nothing like the first bag. This looks fairly empty outside of that one little cool crop top piece. Yeah, almost nothing here. It's like, man, it must just be, I mean, I guess they really do make these bags like, they must make these bags up with, very specific people's donations. So when stuff gets donated, they just take the t-shirts straight to the bag, which is weird to me, because they really don't put out any new t-shirts, it feels like. But new Tommy Hilfiger. It just, it feels weird. It's like, why? Okay, they must hardly process them. They just kind of go straight into the bag. So if somebody donates a bunch of dope t-shirts, then those t-shirts go straight into one bag, and then the next person is not as cool, brings their t-shirts in, their t-shirts go in another bag. So anyway, last tee right here. There's nothing. Ends poorly, but it began so incredibly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you want any of these things, we are linked to our stores in the description below. Click that and check out some of the stuff that we get. Maybe pick up some. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Peace.